Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of one of my favorite Italian dishes, which is vegetable au gratin or vegetable au gratin. Au gratin will have a brown crust on the top. I served with garlic bread. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to boil all these vegetables. I have taken 1 carrot, 2 potato, half broccoli, 5 beans, 1 cup of fresh green peas and half a cup of sweet corn. Boil enough water in a pan and add in the veggies. I have diced all the vegetables to almost similar size. Add in salt as needed and cook the vegetables. Make sure not to overcook the vegetables. Switch off the flame once the vegetables are cooked. Strain the veggies and keep it aside. Next, I am going to prepare the white sauce or bechamel sauce. In a pan, melt 50 grams of butter. Add in 2.5 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Saute slightly and make sure it doesn't change color. Add in half a liter of milk little by little and mix well. Mix it continuously so that no lumps form. White sauce is thickening gradually. Add in salt as needed. In goes 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I'm going to make au gratin little spicy and hence adding it. Add in half a teaspoon of oregano and a pinch of nutmeg powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. White sauce is thickened and now add in the boiled vegetables. Give it a mix and add in 50 grams of mozzarella or any other cheese. Mix it nicely and switch off the flame. Actually, you can have this as such. This is so creamy and delicious. Transfer it into a baking pan. Top it with 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. There is no specific measurement for cheese. You can add more cheese if required. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Bake it until the cheese melts and becomes light golden brown color on top. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the garlic bread. In a mixing bowl, take 3 tablespoons of soft butter, 5 chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of coriander leaf and salt as needed. Mix it until everything combines well. Add in half a teaspoon of chili flakes and mix well. Take 6 slices of bread and apply the garlic butter generously on one side. Now let's toast the bread. Heat a griddle pan and toast the garlic bread. Toast the breads nicely until it turns light golden brown color. Au gratin tastes best when served with garlic bread. Garlic bread is ready now. Vegetable au gratin has baked perfectly. Serve it immediately with the garlic bread. Look at the texture of the au gratin. This is so creamy and full of cheesy flavor. This is one of my favorite Italian dishes and do give a try. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Look how creamy the au gratin has turned out. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.